Yeah, it's pretty bad. Hello and welcome back to Jeep's Garage. Today I've got a little different video for you. I'm gonna try out a product here, not a sponsor. This is actually something I got as a Christmas gift a little while back, and I'm just getting around to putting it in the old white scrambler here behind me. So let me show you what it is and show you what we're gonna do to install it. So as you guys may or may not have noticed, my tires on this guy are about, I don't know, 15 or 20 years old. They're pretty old, but man, it's been garaged its whole life, and they're not weather cracked, and we've had it out wheeling once before already, and it's been fine, so I don't know. And I can't really afford to replace them, but one of my major problems is my valve stems are way old, and this one seems to be in good shape, but some of my others, let's look over here at the rear. Now, of course, I show you the two that are in good shape. Anyway, I've got some on this guy that are just cracked and they leak when you push on them and stuff. So, what's my answer? Here you go. We're gonna try some of these Colby valve stems here. This is the permanent install one with the that requires tools. And this is the extra short guy, so they don't stick out and you tear them off on rocks. So I'm just going to grab some dikes and bite these off. Leave the little piece inside, I guess, because it's not going to hurt my feelings. And we're going to install these and see what happens here. Before I get crazy cutting valve stems off, we're going to pull the cores to take all the pressure off of these. Okay, here's a look at the instructions. Looks pretty simple. You get that old one out of the way. It says you fully insert the new one. You maintain pressure while you tighten it down, and you air up the tire. Hard to screw that up. Here's the two valves, caps. These were in the package too. I don't know what those are, but they were new in this package. Here with the valves, and this is my old stuff, the caps and the cores out of the old valves. I'm gonna keep those as spares because I'm constantly airing these tires down, and spares is always a good thing. Okay, here we go. I'm going to simulate trail damage here, I guess. We're gonna jeez, it ain't easy. I think we're just gonna get on with it here. Okay, and then we gotta get this piece out of the way. Cool, it's inside, and we just have a hole. So you insert this guy fully in. Okay. What's your favorite ratchet and socket? It says maintain pressure. Now I feel some resistance here. Wow, that looks long. These are supposed to be the extra short ones. Hope I haven't gone too far. It feels good. I can't pull it out, so I'm gonna leave that one there. We'll do the other one, then we'll air these up. Okay, here we are at the rear one. I guess I'll just do the same thing here. Okay. Make sure that's gone. Make sure this is cleaned up. Install. Okay. Hold pressure. All right. Let's give them a whirl with some air. All right, let's throw some air in it. Stay holding air. Don't hear any leaks around it. Okay, 20 pounds of air. They don't move. They don't make any noise. I think we're good. They say they advertise they're 20 times stronger than the originals. They stick out further than I thought they would, to be honest with you. Extra short, man. What do the long ones look like? But anyway, let's do the front. Alright, my trusty assistant's gonna air this one up. Push hard. I backed the Jeep out. I've got the other two airing down, but let me show you how nasty one of these valve stems is and why I'm doing this. Yeah, it's pretty bad. That one's not near as bad, but that rear one there is awful. These valves are so easy to install that my wife, who is nowhere near even a mechanic, never claims to be, is going to install this one for you. So watch this. You're probably good. Wiggle it, see? Nothing? Okay. Let's throw some air at it. There it is. She did it. Pretty easy. I think putting air in it's harder than installing the thing, because holding the chuck on it's not easy.
Getting down on the bottom's a lot easier than up on top.
Yeah, for airing it up, it's not as easy as installing the thing. Square over it is your problem. Square on it. There you go. Alright, we'll get this one aired up and we'll have this job done. My 20-year-old tires will ride again. I need some tires. I need to put some tires on this thing. They say these are dangerous. You know, I don't know that I'm buying that. I'd really love to have another set of tires and wheels here and just go thrash on these and just see how dangerous and how easy they are to tear up when they're this old. But I don't have another set of tires and wheels here, so you're a tire manufacturer and you're watching and you could help me out. I mean, I don't mean give them to me, just help me out with a deal. 35, 12, 50, 15s. I would throw your tires on and I'd go tear these up for entertainment value here on YouTube to see just how dangerous and just how, because I hear they'll come apart and all of that stuff. So I just want to know if the stories are true. I've got some tires here that we could test with it. So, but I'm gonna need another set of tires to throw on this thing if we do that. So, like I said, if you're watching out there and you're willing to flip me a good deal on a set of tires, we could go do that. But in the meantime, these are gonna have to do me. Okay, after a test drive, and it's been 30 minutes or so, it's back in the garage here. All tires are still aired up and just fine, so I don't hear any leaks. We're all good. That's gonna do it for this little video. Colby valve stems, man, I'm gonna buy me another set. I'm gonna do my spare, and then I'll have me one as a spare to toss in the console, so in case anything happens on the trail. Anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Till next time, we'll see you next time.